Hello friends, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. So today again a definite integral question. So this is a tricky question. How to integrate minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 12 multiplies 3 plus greatest integer function x over 3 plus greatest integer function sin x plus greatest integer function cos x. You all know about the greatest integer function. So this is equals to same as x when x is greater than equals to 0, and this is negative x and x is less than 0. Now coming to cos x. The greatest integer function cos x was to always 0 when x belongs to pi by 2 to pi by 2. And what about sin x greatest? Sin x greatest integer function equals to, it has takes two value, negative 1 when x is equals to minus pi by 2 and less than 0. This is plus 1 when x is equals to 0 less than pi by 2. So let's take about the denominator. Denominator equals to 3 plus sin x plus cos x. So it takes two value. One is 2 when x is less than 0 and 3 when x is greater than 0. Now let us come to the numerator. The limit is negative pi by 2 to positive pi by 2. So this is a big interval. And you will see the numerator. This mod x takes many values. It will be negative 2 when x is negative pi by 2 to less than 0. Very sorry, less than minus 1. It is negative 1 when x is less than equals to negative 1 to less than 0. Again, it is 0 when x is equals to 0 to less than 1. And it takes the value of 1 when x is equals to 1 less than 2. So let's come to the whole thing now. The numerator, first we'll analyze. Numerator equals to 12 times 3 plus this x. This will take how much value? First is pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 minus 1. It will be 3 minus 2, 1. It will be 12 when x is in between minus pi by 2 to 1, minus 1. Then again it will take minus 1, so it will be 2. So 12 into 2, 24 when x is negative 1 to 0. Then it is, second one is 0, so it will be 0. So 12 into 3, 36 when x is in between 0 to 1, then again 1, so it will be 48 when x is in between 1 to 2. It's not 2, let's write it is pi by 2 because the limit is pi by 2. Here also pi by 2. So we'll divide into many intervals. So minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 12 into 3 plus x over 3 plus sin x plus cos x dx equals to, first is, it is negative pi by 2 to negative 1. It will be 12 by 2 because the denominator at that time it will be 2. Negative 1 to 0, it will be 24 by 2, 0 to 1, that will be 36. That time the denominator will be 3 because we have taken denominator takes two values. One is 2, one is 3. When x is greater than 0, it will be 3. So 3 dx, 1 to pi by 2, again 48 by 3. So it will be x, 6 into x minus pi by 2 to minus 1 plus 12 into minus 1 to 0 plus 12 into 0 to 1 plus 16 pi by 2 minus 1. This value will be 6 pi by 2 to minus 1 because it will be positive. 12 into 1, 12 into 1 plus 16 into pi by 2 minus 16. So the answer will be 3 pi minus 6 plus 24 plus 8 pi minus 16. So this will be 11 pi plus 2. So this is the answer of this question. Thank you for watching.